Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly monitors with a look at Koorui, a brand that's been popping up more often than unwanted ads lately. It promises sharp visuals and smooth performance without the big-name tax, and I wanted to see if it's a hidden gem or just another piece of plastic destined for a landfill. First impressions are actually decent. It's slim, lightweight, and features bezels so narrow they're practically invisible, much like my motivation on a Monday morning. The build is matte and surprisingly sturdy, meaning you won't spend your afternoon fighting glares or worrying if a stiff breeze will knock the whole thing over. It looks professional enough on a desk to trick people into thinking you're actually productive, which is a feat in itself. Performance-wise, the text is sharp and the colors are crisp, making those endless spreadsheets slightly less soul-crushing. Some models even boast a 144 Hz refresh rate, because we all know that scrolling through your social media feed needs to be as high-octane as a Formula One race. For the casual gamers out there, the response time is solid enough to keep up with fast-paced shooters without the distracting lag that usually haunts cheap displays. It's a versatile unit that handles work, school, and entertainment without making you feel like you've compromised your entire existence for a low price tag. The viewing angles are wide enough that your friends can watch you fail at games from the side, without the colors washing out into a gray mess. Overall, Koorui delivers a surprisingly premium feel that won't leave your bank account weeping. If you need a solid display that covers the basics, and then some, this is a remarkably smart way to save your pennies.